day. Mr. Furley man here. This is lunch. Hey, you say hi to your lunch? Yes. Chow down. Rainy day. Hey, Furley, that good? Oh, he's done. He's done. You done? You done? You done? Okay. Where are you gonna go? Hey, you're hiding in the dark there. Come on now. Come here. Furley, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah, what have I got for you? What have I got for you? Yes. Yes. Oh. How's that? Hmm? How's that? Yes. Hi. Hi. Goodbye. Okay, say hi to Mommy and Daddy. Wherever they are. Hey. Hey. Okay. Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Huh? Where are you going to go? Oh. Hey. Hey. Good night. See you later.